Yeah, it's a journey
as a
outwards
being
and it's
human
a
being.
journey within.
And that's common sense. It is not that it is big deal.
Hi Priyanka, I'm wearing your scarf. It really looks nice.
Cue Adira advertisement. Hi guys, welcome back to the podcast. I hope you're having a great evening. Today we are at the hill station taking a little away time from the city hustle. And while we are doing that, today we are talking about slowing down and traveling. Okay.
Traveling.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask you a
Most,
couple of things about what you feel about traveling and stuff like that. But yeah, what were you saying?
no, your most liked subject,
Subject.
traveling,
Yeah.
nomadic traveling.
Nomadic बोल दिया है. Cool. Okay. So since we are here taking a break, I mean you two are taking a break. I'm not taking a break. But I want to ask, what do you think that when people come out, do you think that people just come out to enjoy a different view while still having the same stresses from work, or they truly have fun while traveling?
I basically feel and I think that when one is traveling, one has to just not give the 100%,
Hmm.
but 200% quality time to each other.
Hmm.
Because this is the time when you have to really love, live, and laugh
Hmm.
and have fun. But if you're again while driving, you're onto the phone, attending the phone calls, or when you reach your hotel and you're on the laptop and start doing your meals. So that's not called as a holiday.
Irony is that you have been on your work calls the entire time now while we were coming here.
Yeah. She will continue. Nandini, Priya.
Nandini, Priya,
Client,
Anjali.
No, it was not a whole day. It was just one. They had to sort it out because they couldn't sort that out.
Hmm.
So
So you are
with
helping them.
me, if I'm into a holiday, I even did not call my dear sister and my friend.
My dear sister.
That's my always a call to both of them, and I did not.
So
Call them.
do you think it's difficult for people to just switch off and have fun? Can we ever completely switch off and have
Ask your
fun?
people or ourselves.
Yourself, people, whatever. Is it?
No, people don't, and I don't think people.
Do you? Do you completely
I would
switch
love
off?
to totally switch off. Yes.
You?
Why?
Depends. Many people switch off. They keep everything out. They come, they enjoy, they invest the time
How do you
in
switch off?
family. I am already switched off always. When I come home, I am switched off. When I go to office, I switched off home. I switched off office when I come home. I switched off home when I go office.
Okay, cool.
No, he's lying.
Right?
He's lying. Why? What do you mean?
No. He's
When he
always on
comes
mobile.
home, he's on mobile.
Mobile is not office.
He is watching reels.
Mobile is part
Whatever
of
it is,
life.
but we being in the same room, we don't communicate also with each other.
So we communicate on the mobile, no? That's a new way of communicating. Mobile.
Acha, so since we talk about traveling so much and we like to travel so much or whatever, what do you think traveling has taught you about life that no classroom ever could?
Yeah.
Yeah, like what?
Kelyani Deshatana. That is a book.
What?
Kelyani Deshatana.
What does that
That
mean?
is a Marathi book. Means you learn a lot while you travel. Because you come out of your cocoon, of your city, of your state, of your country, and when you travel, you understand different cultures, you understand different people, you understand way of living, your perspective changes. Sometimes you live in the perspective which is narrow, and then it's become broader. There are different kind of food cultures. There are different kind of living cultures. There are different type of staying cultures
Yeah.
and behavioral culture. There are many things to observe.
So since you're talking about perspective, empathy, human connection, all of that, do you think that we are different versions of ourselves when we travel. Like, how do you think your relationship with her or me and vice versa, does it change when we are traveling, or do you understand better? Do you think traveling affects how you experience personal relationships?
It doesn't affect, it affects how you experience personal relationship. Because the more you travel and understand people how they stay, the more you understand the values, Indian values, or maybe your values. I will not say Indian, because this podcast is for everybody. So you can understand and compare, and you can adjust and change, improve
No, she's talking about us.
Yeah.
overall cultural.
What do you understand about it? What is different when you're at home and what is different when you're traveling? Is there anything different?
Yeah, matlab, like in when you're at home, like we have been taken for granted, but like when you're out, so an extra care is being taken, and like uh, a freedom is like I feel a freedom has been given. कुछ भी खाओ, कुछ भी purchase करो, कुछ भी
कुछ भी purchase करो.
So there is no budget, or there is a budget. This is a travel budget.
So it doesn't come in shopping budget, it comes in travel budget.
And you always make a shopping travel budget, and you convert it into
Shopping budget.
I love to see airports.
I mean, fair enough. Airports are fun. Even I like to see airports.
Yes.
Yeah, but since I mean, yeah, that is one thing. But now that I asked that question, I also started understanding one more thing. I would like to say is that I was hearing a lot on Instagram, and like people say, oh, if you want to know who your real friends are, you should travel with them for like a long time, and then if you can like deal with the person traveling, then you can be like good friends or whatever. And then I realized that because me and my friend, we went on like a long European trip, like which is the two of us, I have seen like the ups and downs of like our personalities, the mood swings and all the things, and we got irritated and how the other person handled the other one. And like the only thing is that we went up from there. Now a lot of relationships could go down from there also, because there are so many sides and versions of a person that does not probably come out in general life. But when you're traveling, there are so many things that could go wrong, and how you manage it when that thing goes wrong is, I think, like your temper, or like what you like, what you don't like, how you eat, where you eat, or like how you adapt to places, how do you like to travel, what do you like to see. All that matters, no, when you're like
Then
traveling with
you're
a person,
taking
you
an
get to
wholesome
understand.
experience.
Wholesome experience is a great
Traveling
word.
is, yeah,
You understand so much about the other person and yourself while you are doing that.
Yes, in short, like traveling also is an institution where you learn so many things.
Chalo, I want to subscribe to this institution of traveling for life.
Life itself is
Funded by
life
that.
itself is a journey.
Life.
Of course. It's a
Yeah, I agree.
So,
Philosophical angle.
so it not philosophical. Life is a journey, and this traveling is a part of life. So that's why you connect traveling to a journey which you are doing.
Yeah, it's a journey outwards
being,
and it's a
human being.
journey within.
Yes.
So definitely you will going to take maximum experience while you are traveling. And yes, when you are exploring new things, new places, you tend to get new experiences, new learnings, new
Yeah.
unlearnings,
What is
what to do, what not to do.
unlearning
And we
is
realize,
what is one thing that you have learned and one thing that you have unlearned in the past how many ever years of traveling? Tell me that quickly.
I've learned when I was traveling abroad, I really learned a lot of discipline.
Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting.
like very small example, like in India, you just rush. If I'm purchasing something,
Ghus
somebody
jate.
else will come, and somebody will just, अरे मेरा so I'll say, अरे देखो मेरा तो काम, but there it is like one after the other. Secondly, you just cannot put your legs on the table and just sit like this. It's so weird. So there are so many things whatsoever. There is one protocol for everything.
Do you think Indians, when they go outside, are more disciplined versus in their own country?
They follow the rules there. But they don't follow the
They
rules
use
in the
here.
Some
Why?
videos, I have seen some Instagrams or news. But some Indians even not
Following there also.
following there also. That is very bad.
Yeah.
They should follow here also and there also.
There
Really.
also, yeah, that
And
is
certain social etiquettes has to be there. The civic sense. Has to
civic
be there.
sense.
And that's common sense. It is not that very big deal.
Yeah, I
Unfortunately, we
think
have 21
people.
civic sense people.
Yeah, I think a lot of people in our country lack civic sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the real incidents of
No,
Thane
like
Yeah, the one that
yeah,
happened
yeah.
recently, that was not
was
nice.
very bad.
Very bad.
Yeah,
And like even the spitting thing, and wherever
littering, all
littering
these
and all
small
that.
things.
So
Yeah,
I like that environment.
of
Cleanliness,
discipline.
hygiene.
And what is one thing that you've unlearned?
Like you used to take big bag, package.
Ah,
Yeah.
Now you are compacting it
ah.
while
Yes.
traveling. Yes.
So compact packaging is something that you have. No, heavy packaging is packing is something that you have.
Heavy packaging is you have to reduce your weight
Yeah,
Yeah.
philosophically also and traveling physically also. Minimum is the weight,
yeah.
minimum is the problem.
हाँ मेरे को अपने
Okay,
सर पे
minimize
बोझा
the
लेकर
weight.
मत बैठो.
Minimize.
So minimize the weight of your boat in the mind,
Yeah.
minimize the weight of
Of
your
your
baggage.
Also baggage.
So you don't have to pay extra.
Also emotional
Everything.
baggage.
Everything.
Minimize the waste of your emotional baggage.
That emotional baggage is mind.
Mind.
So minimize the boat of your mind, body, baggage, everything.
Wow, that's
So
nice.
that's the way you can enjoy
Yeah.
the journey. Otherwise, you get tired. So many bags. You are going to Mathera. Enjoy it. See, imagine you are going to Mathera and traveling a hiking job, and you have too heavy baggage to carry. You will never enjoy hiking.
I can relate.
While hiking, you should have a very small backpack with very essential things.
Yeah.
Small things.
Fair.
And then you
That we have seen even when we travel
Ask the
abroad,
people
we have to get, there is no hospitality there.
Yeah.
But in India, I could say that people,
Yeah, that
when you
is
sit
one
at the hotel, people come and serve you water.
True.
But there is no hospitality.
Yeah,
Like,
hospitality is a little less
In the
outside.
sense, they think that no, you all are
I think it's
independent.
still there in a lot of South Asian countries,
yeah.
not in like European or American.
Yeah, maybe they are
Americas.
thinking the thought process is this, that you have to just be
Independent.
independent.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
What have you learned and unlearned? One thing.
I told the same thing. I guess.
Unlearned, ठीक है. What have you learned?
Learn many things. I learn. I try to learn many languages. First, understand languages. How did people behave? I like one thing that they smile every person they come in contact with, which is I
The
was
Brits
missing.
will disagree.
Huh? Who will say?
The Brits.
Brits, Brits may, but I find
No, they're not that
British are changing now.
Yeah, they are. I think they're just sorry for a lot of things.
So they're changing. And even Americans, I find, Europeans, Scotland people,
Scottish people is nice.
they are like, they give a smile,
Yeah.
they say hello, which we missing. And one society we were staying, and even we
Oh
were staying
yeah, that was
together,
horrible.
and we are meeting a lift which is coming down from 31st floor, when they used to say,
Yeah, that's
like, who are you? So I think that is very good, which I
Yeah,
fair
fair
enough.
enough.
Outside.
I think nothing, पैसा नहीं जाता है किसी को smile देके. I think it only makes your day better.
And I learned while traveling to China, the way they work, the hardworking they are. They are like fully professional.
Yeah.
They are like, I will do these things for you, whatever you want, your brand, your thing, just pay me money, right
Yeah.
money, and I will give you. They don't mind giving their all credits, putting their brands up.
Yeah. I think one thing that I have learned is that people value, I think it's happening in India also now, but like I've learned from all this stuff that people value experiences over things.
Yeah, nowadays that is happening.
So yeah, it's happening with us also now, but it's something that I've learned through traveling. And one thing that I've unlearned is also packaging. Yes, not packing, but I don't apply it in life. I try to nowadays, but yeah. Yeah, that is one thing. What else did I unlearn? I think I have
Eating
unlearned.
habits, maybe some eating habits,
No, that is not unlearning. That is just expanding
expanding.
my palate.
That is a learning thing.
Yeah.
for expanding
Something
or to
about
taste
being
the
open to a
food.
lot of
Because
food.
food is the main thing.
It's a cultural
Kind of,
experience.
cultural experience.
Yes.
Some other things are many. Yeah. Dressing sense.
Yeah.
People dress differently at different venues and different parties or different programs.
Hmm.
Which sometimes we are being, so that can be different.
Cool. I think now I have a quick game segment. So what you have to do is you have to rate each experience from 1 to 10. 1 is sabse kharab and 10 is best. It's not an experience, it is like things that we do while we are traveling. Okay, fast bolne ka. Okay, first one is waking up at 4 a.m. for a flight.
8.
8. Okay, do you like it?
Yeah, I love.
You?
I don't like. 3.
I think it's a 6, 7 for me also. I don't mind it.
4 a.m. I will not. I
like
book a
it. Yeah, I don't
flight
mind
which is give me some relaxation.
I love
Like,
to travel at night.
Okay, overpacking for a 2-day trip.
3.
Rubbish. You overpack for a 2-day trip.
Yeah, but now I understood.
But you don't
that
like it.
overpacking Is,
I think, yeah,
I'll go 5
2.
for me.
2 for me. If someone says that we should leave early from a certain place.
5.
That's okay. Leave early, but 6.
6. Yeah, 6 for me also. Stopping every 10 minutes for a photo shoot. 0. Negative. Minus.
Yeah. Even I can go for minus. Some spot is okay, not same.
I am the photographer.
Yeah, but
Now
she
it's
doesn't
stopped.
stop that
Now
much.
it's
I
stopped.
agree. She has
I
stopped.
don't
She
take-
has
Now she
learned
has
that
stopped,
now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
She
This is
doesn't do
unlearned.
that anymore.
I don't
Okay.
take-
Finding a chai tapri with an incredible view.
5, 6.
Can be a 7, 8 for me.
I think it's a 5 for me because incredible view is great, but I don't drink chai.
I like chai
No network
at
signal.
right time. Network still is sometime in between. 6,
Yeah,
7
6, 7.
is
Okay.
required, but otherwise you'll get lost at new
Yeah,
places.
yeah. I think 6, 7. Rain ruining your original plan. 2, 1.
2.
I hate it when it rains.
Yeah, I love rains, but if
I
it
hate
spoils
it.
our schedule, then
I've now learned to like accept it and deal with it,
Unless
but
and until this is a rainy trip, then it's okay. Otherwise,
I hate
I'll be
it.
prepared for rain. Otherwise, I don't like rains.
Yeah, if I'm going outside of India, I do not want rains.
It's 3,
And if it's chip and dirty, I absolutely do not want
like
rains.
Glasgow.
Okay, napping first after reaching the hotel. Please get out of the hotel.
Happy
Yes.
first.
You do that.
8, 9. I love.
You?
1, 2.
Me also want to.
I love.
Picking a window seat over an aisle seat in a flight.
I love aisles.
Even I love aisle seat. I think it's a 9. I think, picking a window seat is a 3, 4 for me. If it's a short flight, it's fine. If it's a long flight, I'm taking the aisle.
Yeah.
Yeah, but sometimes for a new area, new country, I will go for window.
Okay, last one. Coming back from a vacation and immediately opening your work emails.
Immediately?
Huh.
No. That is straight no for me.
I think it's a 6,
Unless it is very
7
critical
for me.
thing has happened and somebody has called.
Wow, it's really
Otherwise,
windy.
it is no.
So beautiful.
I fear my
Take
camera is going to
Take a
fall
view
off.
from like
Straight no.
Yeah. Alright, I think that's it for today. This is just a quick little, oh my god, the camera is shaking. This is just a quick little thing that we decided to do, a fun one. So I hope you keep traveling and I hope you keep having fun, relaxing and unwinding, and we'll keep doing more of these. Thanks for
happy
watching.
journey.
Happy journey.
Keep traveling.
Keep traveling inwards and outwards, and we'll see you next time. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.